I was scared at first, but it was very important for me to do it and to execute it on this level, because we got a lot of no's almost every stage, from getting finance to getting on a platform to getting permits to different things. Whatever it is you can imagine, we got so many doors closed, but we never gave up. And I remember there was one time we had a call. I was in my room. I'm not gonna say what the call is. And I'd been saving to get a house in London. We didn't get anyone to finance this. Everybody said no. So I kind of used my mortgage to do this. Oh, Mr. Paul, it was after. Shout out to Mr. Paul and Pepsi for coming on board. But initially, we had all put our money down. JM Films they wanted to invest in other things, and we all said, listen, if no one is going to invest in us, we were going to put our money where our mouth was. And so I was in the room and I got some call. I got off the phone and I was crying, to God, is this how all my money is just going to go to waste? And literally within a couple of weeks, we got another call, which, God just blessed us, and it got picked up by Prime Video. So yeah, it was, it was challenging, but it was important for us to see this through, for me especially as an African woman, just to wear different hats. When people tell me no, I would initially cry, but then I'll get angry, and then I make sure I get it done. Nobody can tell me no. Nobody can say, I cannot executive produce a project, and I can't do the soundtrack. Yes, I'm gonna start selling bread.
Okay,
so look out for that. That's
Tiwa bread?
No, I'm being serious, yeah. 100%, we're gonna sell bread.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll get you standard.
I get you bread.
Love it.
You're laughing. That going to sell cement, okay? No problem. But we also have another script that we're working on. An amazing script that's very, very personal to all of us. It's incredible. So yeah, I can't give too much away, but we're working on the next one.